In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this delicious okra seafood. Keep watching and stay blessed. Thank you so much, everyone. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. Thank you so much, everyone, for stopping by. I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate the love. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. Please consider subscribing before the end of the video if you are new. And to all my returning subscribers, I appreciate every one of you. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to be making okra soup. Yay! I'm going to be making delicious okra soup. I'm going to be making delicious seafood okra soup. All I'm going to be using is just fish. Okay, I'm going to be using fish and prawns. That's what I'm going to be using for this okra. Okay, in there we have our okra, we have tilapia and mackerel fish, we have our prawns. Okay, this is the prawns, and this is a stockfish. I've already washed everything that is here. I've already washed and cleaned. I have a stockfish, then I have a dry fish. I've already deboned it. Then I have my pepper. I've already blended it because I want this video not to be too long. In here I got one bell pepper, one onions, 5 habanero pepper because I like it spicy. I want it to be hot. Then ginger. I blended everything together. Okay, this is gonna be the onions I'm gonna be using to fry it. Then this is my crayfish, blended crayfish. And in here we have our seasonings. There I have oil, I have Maggi, chicken flavor Maggi, I have salt to taste. Then I have another all-purpose seasoning to season the fish. Okay guys, let's start cooking. Okay, these are all my ingredients. As you can see, let's go right into the cooking. Okay guys, in here I have like about 1 cup of oil. Then I'm just going to highlight to heat up a little bit. I'm not going to let bleach. Then I'm going to add in my onions. I like a lot of onions. I'm going to add in my onions. I'm just going to allow the oil. Then what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be adding my crayfish, half of the crayfish. I'm going to use it to fry it because I want the crayfish to infuse into the oil. I just want the crayfish to infuse inside the oil. Just give it a little stir. Then I'm going to introduce my blended pepper. Okay, I'm going to add in my blended pepper. In here I have my 1 bell pepper, onions, habanero pepper, and ginger. I'm just going to pour it inside. Just going to give it a stir it together. Give it a stir. Then I'll add I'm just gonna add 2 teaspoons of Maggi seasoning. Then I'm gonna sprinkle some all-purpose seasoning, about 1 teaspoon. Then I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of salt. I'll give it a quick stir. Give it a quick stir. Then I'll cover a light to cook for about 2 to 5 minutes. Okay. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes. Let's check on our Okay, at this point I'm gonna introduce my stockfish. And the fish and the dry fish. Just going to give it a stir, because you know the stockfish is strong. That's why I have it right now. Okay, I'll cover to cook for 2 minutes before I add the fish. Okay guys, so far so good, looking so good, the place is smelling good. Okay, now I'm going to add my fish. Going to add the crumbs too. And I'm going to add some water, and I'll give it a stir. Cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, ooh, look at this guys, look at this bubbling. This place smells so good. Okay guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the fish off before I put my okra. Okay, I'm just going to take the fish off, because you don't want this fish to scatter. This one aside. just want to add a little more crayfish to it, guys. Oh my word, oh my word. Then I'm going to add my okra. Just going to give it a quick stir. Guys, this is my first time of using this pot. This pot is new. This okra soup, now they disverging this soup right, this pot right now. My first time of cooking with this pot, my new pot, and I'm gonna give a big shout out to my friend Amma, my friend, my neighbor, my work hard buddy. This is one of my birthday gift from her. Yeah, this is my birthday gift from Amma. Amma, thank you so much. I'm using the pot for the first time now, and it's so good. It's so wide. I like that the pot is so wide. Okay, guys, help me to thank Amma, my friend, my neighbor, my work hard buddy. Yes, I just give it a quick stir. Allow it to cook.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
With eba, any swallow of your choice. You can eat this with any swallow of your choice, guys. Look at this. This place is smelling so good, guys. And I've tasted, so let me taste for salt. Everything's okay. The salt, everything's okay. Yes, perfect. We don't need salt. We don't need more Maggi. Everything's okay. So yummy and delicious. Guys, our food is ready. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. If you are new, you have to subscribe. Please subscribe to Share with Love TV. Share. For those of you who keep sharing, thank you so much, everyone. I appreciate every one of you. Okay guys, the food is ready, the soup is ready. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.